Tiberius from chefsmagnet.com here, bringing you the unboxing of the Camp Chef Woodwind SG pellet smoker grill with Sear Box. Go ahead, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. We're going to be coming out with recipes, unboxing videos, and other really great stuff. Go ahead and check out the links below for more information. But let's go ahead and unbox and see what we find. So the first thing you'll notice when your Camp Chef Woodwind SG with Sear Box arrives, it has 3 boxes. That middle box there, medium-sized box, has the Sear Box in it. The smaller box that I moved off has the upper rack in there. I guess they couldn't find a way to fit it in the main box here with the smoker. So we'll go ahead and get this unboxed. It's very well packaged. There's a lot to get to in there. First thing you're gonna find in there is the legs and wheels. The wheels are already attached to all 4 legs. 2 legs have larger wheels and 2 have smaller wheels. Then you're gonna find this 2-piece enameled steel lower rack. This is the main rack you're gonna be cooking off of. Then the lower storage shelf. This goes below the grill itself, gives you some extra space, to place a few things. And then you have your drip tray. Essentially, this is catching all the drippings coming off your food and guiding them out the grill into the bucket. Here's a look of inside the grill. Your first look in, you've got the firebox right there in the center. That's where the fire is going to be created, where the pellets are going to be fed in. And then out of where you put the pellets in, you're gonna find the drip bucket sitting in there, out of that hopper. So take out the drip bucket, and let's get unboxing some more. This box came inside and has kind of about everything else you need, including the owner's manual. Go ahead, give it a look over, review kind of all the different steps on how to use the grill and safety instructions. Then we have the rake. That's a good way to sort of guide the pellets in the hopper around, kind of give them a stir around if you need to do that. And then we have the handle that you're going to attach to the lid that you're going to use to open and close the lid there. And then we have the ash bucket. You'll see that later in the video. That goes underneath the grill to catch the ash that burning those pellets produces. And then 2 parts to the chimney here that'll go on the back of the smoker to guide the smoke out of the inside. So let's go ahead and just start attaching the legs. If you read through the instructions in the owner's manual, it explains just exactly how to line up the legs there. So there's 2 holes in the legs line up with the 2 holes on the grill that you can go ahead then and attach. Going through this fairly quick, just to not waste a lot of time with a lot of the installation of the grill. But a lot of this in here will be going quick, so feel free to pause, rewind if you want to have a better look at what's going on with putting this together. Now we're going to go ahead and put together the lower storage shelf, as mentioned before. It's pretty easy to put together, and it's just a nice extra storage spot to whatever you want to place down there. Now let's go ahead and attach the chimney. As you see, it has 2 parts, kind of the main shaft and then the upper roof part of the chimney here. Easy enough to put together, quite honestly. Let me just go ahead. If you enjoy this video, please feel free to give it a like and think about subscribing below for more videos like this, unboxing videos, recipes, reviews. We're just gonna be coming out with a lot of content here. One thing I want to point out too with the chimney is you can see this is kind of sort of its largest size there, but in the winter time you can actually lower the chimney roof down to maybe about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in the wintertime to kind of maintain more of that smoke, more of that heat inside the smoker. But essentially, you can usually leave it how it comes, just like it was there. We're going to go ahead and attach the handle. Honestly, I'll say right now is it really helps to have two people help you put this together. So I did it just myself. It took longer than it needed to. With more struggles, but it would really help if you had a second person, especially putting on that handle. Now we're going to put in the rails of the inside of the grill here. This holds the adjustable upper rack. The upper rack has two pieces to it, and it's adjustable. Really nice. It gives you a lot of cooking surface. And go ahead and comment below if you have any questions, if there's any videos you want to see me come out with, or just share the love. Go ahead and share this on social media. I'd be greatly appreciated. So here's the drip tray. You'll see, as you can tell in the video there, the plastic it comes in is kind of sticking to the trays because the tray has sort of an oily film on it coming from the factory. And the tray's slotted, which makes it nice when you're cooking over an open flame with this grill. To have those slots there. Now we have the lower rack, comes in two pieces, which is great. Really helps with taking it apart and cooking. Now we're gonna place in the two-piece nickel-plated upper rack. Now it's in that third smaller box that the whole grill comes in that you saw at the beginning of the video. This rack comes in there. You have a lower and an upper rail for this rack. I'm using both there. You can use that. That's kind of like standard that I sort of keep them there. So keep them up, towards the back more. Now the ash bucket that comes with this is where the ash from the grill will fall into this bucket. It's sort of like a mug of sorts. Easy to take on and take off. I'll go into more of the features of the grill, including this, in a later video. This is the fire box. This is where the pellets are going to fall into and create the flame you're going to grill on. And you can slide that open. Of course, when the grill's not in use, the ash will fall into the ash bucket there, and then you can empty that out. So it's a great looking grill here, especially when it's nice and clean. I love the window into the hoppers. You can see how many pellets you have in there. Also, there's another shot of the rake it comes with, and two meat probe thermometers. I love that. Both of those can be used at the same time to track the temperature of your meat. Now the hopper, this is of course where you fill with your pellets. There's the auger down below there that feeds the pellets into the grill, and then there's a little window there I'm going to slide open. This is how you empty the pellets out if you decide, I want a different type of pellet for a different type of flavor. Here's another view below, and they can fall right out into a bucket. There's even a little hook there to hold a bucket. Easy to just empty out if you ever want to just change your pellets out. Let's go ahead, let's fill it up. Camp Chef is a wonderful, wonderful product. I absolutely love this thing, and I know you'll enjoy.